Today we start a new chapter, whole number. Okay. Before starting this chapter, first I introduce to you this chapter. Okay. So countings. You know very well. Countings start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on? These are the natural number. So countings start from the natural number. Okay. So now in this chapter we learn some more things. Okay. Successor, predecessor, whole number, number line, and other things also. So what is successor? Okay. So in natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see that 1 is added to 1, we get 2. In 1 we added 1, we get 2. So 2 is the successor of 1, 2 is the successor of 1. Similarly 5, what is the successor of 5? So in 5 we add 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 is the successor of 5. Similarly 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So 19 is the successor of 18. So in successor we add 1. If you see this word successor, that means we have to move forward. As from class 6 you move to the from class 5th you move to the class 6. So you also succeed one class. Okay. Now we talk about the predecessor. So in predecessor, uh, similarly in successor we add 1, but in predecessor we subtract 1. Okay. Suppose that 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is the predecessor of 3. 2 is the predecessor of 3. Similarly 6 minus 1 we get 5. So 5 is the predecessor of 6. So in successor we add 1 and predecessor we subtract 1. Okay. Now the whole number. In natural number starts from the 1 to 3, but if we but but one thing, in natural numbers are the successor kind of number. Okay. So if we 1 add to 1 we get 2. So we get another natural number. But in natural number we can't subtract 1 because it will become 0. So 0 is not included in natural number. So if we subtract 1 from 1 we get 0, and and whole numbers start from the 0. So what is whole number? That number which start from 0 to infinity. That means numbers start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and infinity. Infinity, that means go up, go upwards. Okay. As well, and so on. So what is whole number? Natural number with 0 is called whole number, or countings that start from 0, 1, 2, 3 that start from 0 are called whole number. Now we studied about the countings and whole number, predecessor and successor. On the basis of these four things we talk about the number line. Okay. Number line, as you already know what is number line. You see your scale. In your scale you see like that: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and up to 15. Okay. So because your scale length is 15 centimeter, so you see just 15 centimeter. Okay. 15 units. But in number lines, addition on number line, how can it possible? So we add, take an example, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 3, where is 3? On number line 3 is there. Now we add 4 on it. So move 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we get? 7. So how to add on number line? Just Take an example. 3 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we start from 3. 3 then plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 7 as a result. Similarly, subtraction on number line. Okay. So 9 minus 5 we get 4. So we start from the 9. Where is 9? Here. So move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we get as a result? 4. Okay. So if you count, you will get 4. You get 4. I show from the bottom side 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 is our result. Okay. Now multiplication on number line. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. You know very well. Now we start from 3. 3 3s are 9. So first 3, then next again after 3 digit 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, then move to the 9. So there is a multiplication of 3. Okay, it is very simple. First, in it, we have to first understand what is successor, predecessor, and how to multiply, addition, and subtraction in on number line. Okay, now we move to the our first exercise. Okay, let's move to our exercise 2.1. Our first question: write the next three natural number after 10,999. That means 10,999. So natural numbers after 10,999. That means we have to write successor. Natural number you know very well. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So this is also a natural number, and we have to write next three natural number. So if we add 1 in it, so we add it. Example show here 19,999 plus 1. So what we get? 0. Carry over 1. Again 0. Carry over 1. Again 0. 1, 1, 1. So our first next number is 11,000. Okay. Just we write here 11,000. So basically we did just we write successor add 1. Now again we have to write three number, then again plus 1. So 1100 1, then again plus 1. So we will get 1102. So these are our next three natural number. Now move to the next question. Move to the next question. Okay, right. Write the three whole number occurring just before 10,001. Just before 10,001. So in this question we have to write all numbers. Okay. So before 10,001. So basically we have to write predecessor. What we have to write? Predecessor. So 10,001. I am writing here. Just see here. 10,001. We have to write three whole number of it just before. The word before and after is a very important word. You have to mind over it. Okay. So before, so we have to subtract them. After that means we have to add them. Okay. So what we get? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is our first predecessor, or we can say our first whole number. That means this is our number. Again we subtract 1 from it, we will get 49. Okay. Then again minus 1, we get 8999. So these are the three whole number occurring before 10,001. Basically we did it in predecessor. When question number 1 we did successor. Now which is the smallest whole number? Now we talk about the whole number. You know very well, whole number start from the 0. So 0 is the smallest natural number. See, 1 is the smallest natural number. Now we subtract 1, we get 0. Now whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, we subtract 1, from 1 we get 0 as a whole number. Now how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? This is our question 4. So whole numbers lies between 32 and 53 are, these are the numbers between 32 and 53. So after 32 what we write? 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and up to 52. So these are 20 whole numbers lies between 32 and 53. So what is our answer? Hence 20 whole numbers lies between 32 and 53. Next question, question number 5. In it, write the successor of, here 4 questions are there. I am just taking 2 questions out of them and write the successor. Okay. So first A, 2440701. We have to write successor. We already know what is successor, what is predecessor. Okay. So 2440701. We have to write successor of it. Successor, that means we have to add 1. So right here 1, add them, we get 2070442. So this is the successor. So what we get? 244072 is the successor of 244071. Now write successor of it. Again we add 1 in it. So what we get? 11 lakh. In 10 lakh 99,999, we just add 1, we get 11 lakh as a successor. Okay, just we add 1. Now B and D are the homework questions. Now move to the next question, question number 6. Write the predecessor of 94. Now predecessor, that means we have to subtract 1. So 94 minus 1, we get 93 as a result. So 93 is a predecessor of 94. Now again take C1, in it 208090. We subtract 1 from it, what we get? 10 out of 10. Subtract 1, we get 9. Here is 8, here is 10. So what we get? 80802. So what is the result? 208089 is the predecessor of 208090. Okay, here again B and D are homework. Just subtract 1 in question number 6 and in question number 5 just add 1. We get the successor and predecessor. Now move to the next question. Question we have to write greater than or less than. We have to put greater than and less than sign between the questions, between the whole number. But more than that, we have also write left side on the number line. Which number is on the left side on the number line? That means you know very well. Suppose that this is our question. 530 and 503. 513, 503. Which is greater? Obviously 530 is a greater, but we have to show on number line. So suppose that this is our number line, we have to mark from the 500. Okay, basically we start from the 0, but for this question we have to start from the 500. Okay, so 500, 501, 502, 503. So this is our question 503, and dash 504, 5, 6, 7, and 9 and up to 29 and then 30. 530. So you see that 503 is in the left side. This is the left side of 530 on number line. Okay, so right here 503 is on the left side of 530. Therefore 530 is greater than, this is a sign of greater than 503. Similarly, we move to the next question. 370 and 307. Okay, just we start number line 300, 301, 2 and up to 307 and move up to 370. So you see that 307 is on the left side of 370. So we write here 307 is on the left side of 370. And which one is greater? Obviously 370 is greater than 307. So we write therefore 370 is greater than 307. Similarly, you have to do C and D. Okay, don't afraid by the big numbers. Very simple question. Just you have to write only which number is on the left side and which number is greater. You don't have to need to mark like scale. Okay, just write which number is on the left side and which number is the greatest. Okay, which number is greater or less. Okay, now move to the next question. Number 8, we have to write true or false for the following given statement. Okay, our first question. A. 0 is the smallest natural number? No, 0 is not the natural number because natural numbers are natural number कौन कौन से होते हैं? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up to infinite. So 0 is not the natural number. So the given statement is false. 400 is the predecessor of 399. So क्या 400 400 जो है वो 399 का प्रीसीडेसर है? सी 399 minus 1 we get 398. So 400 is not the predecessor of 399. So given statement is also false. 0 is the smallest whole number? Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number. True. Why? Because whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All numbers starts from 0, but natural numbers starts from 1. That's why this is a false statement and this is a true statement. Okay, move to the next. 600 is the successor of 599. See, 599 plus 1 successor, that means we have to add 1. So what we get? 0, 0, 1, 6. Yes. So 600 is the successor of 599. The statement is true. All natural numbers are whole number. Whole numbers. Whole numbers. So see, these are the whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. And natural numbers are 1, 2, 3. So from 1 to up to and so on are the natural number. These are natural number. Natural number. So all natural numbers are whole number. Yes, prove it. Because in whole number, natural numbers are also included. So the given statement is true. All natural numbers are whole number. Second statement. F. All whole numbers are natural number? No. All whole numbers are not the natural number because in whole numbers start from 0, but natural number starts from 1. So all whole numbers are not the natural number. So given statement is false. The predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single-digit number. See, the predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. Let's see. Suppose that 10 is a two-digit number. Now, predecessor of this two-digit number, that means 10 minus 1, we get 9 as a result. So 9 is a single-digit number. So it is a false statement. So the predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single digit number is a false statement. H. 1 is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest whole number. False, because whole number starts from 0. Whole numbers are starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 1 is not the smallest whole number. So given statement is false. The natural number 1 has no precedence. Natural number 1 has no precedence. Yes, true. Why? See, natural number 1 has no precedence because natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, starts from 1, but the whole number starts from 0. Okay, so the natural number 1 has no precedence is the true statement because natural number starts from 1. J. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. False. See how whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole number 1 has no predecessor. So if we 1 subtract 1 we get 0 is a whole number. So the given statement is false. Why? Because 1 has predecessor is 1, 1's predecessor is 0. Okay. So here is the statement is false. The whole number 1 has predecessor, that is 0. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Here is 12, 11, here is 12. So the whole number lies between 11 and 12. That means 11 and 12 के बीच में 13 आता है क्या? No. So the given statement is false. Again false. Okay. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yes, true. Why? Because whole number starts from the 0. 0 minus 1. What? Minus 1. And minus 1 is not the whole number. Minus 1 is not the whole number. So the whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yes, it is a true. The successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number. Let's see. Two-digit number. Successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number. Let's see. If we add, is a two-digit number. We add 1. What we get? 11. Yes, it is a two-digit number. Okay. But see, 99 is a two-digit. If we add 1 in it, what we get? 100 as a result. But 100 is not a two-digit number. So it is a false statement. Why? Because the successor of a two-digit number is not always a two-digit number. It may be, it must be, whatever you say. Okay, it may be a three-digit number also. Okay, so it is a false statement. If we add 1 in it, we get two-digit number. But in 99 we add 1, we get a three-digit number. So the given statement is false. It's not always a two-digit number. Okay, students, if you want to download solution of the given exercise, you can download from the description box. Okay, here I already provided all the solution of the given questions, and you like my channel and subscribe me also to get new notification for the next exercise.